And now let's do the Ho'oponopono for our younger self. Whatever judgment, blame, complain you are passing, for that, say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry, dear Sudeshna. Here you replace your name and say, I'm sorry that I have passed so many judgment for your decisions. Please forgive me for that. Thank you so much for all the decisions you have taken. Because you took those decisions, I am what I am now. Thank you so much. I am sorry that sometimes I feel that I wish I didn't take that decisions. I wish someone has told me not to take that decision. Someone would have stopped me. But just think that that younger version of you took the decision based off the best information he or she has that time. Right now, whatever information you have, the younger version of you did not have those experience or the information. So feel the gratitude towards your younger self, that thank you for whatever decisions you could take, thank you for whatever decision you did not take, because I am what I am because of your decisions. Thank you so much. And I'm sorry for all those moments when I felt that you took some wrong decisions. Please forgive me for that. Thank you so much for taking all the wrong decision. Because you took so many wrong decisions, right now I have learned how to take the decisions, how to make the decisions right. Because when I make the decision right, that means I am convinced that my decision is right. It doesn't matter who is saying my decision is wrong or who is saying my decision is right, because I made that decision. Thank you, my younger version, for teaching me how to take and make the right decisions. Whatever happened with you, my younger version, but still you persisted. Still you worked hard, and that's why I am now where I am. Thank you so much for taking care of my health. Thank you so much for still keeping all those relationships, which is very priceless for me. Thank you so much for choosing the career and doing whatever you have done. Thank you so much for all the investment you have done or even not done because of whatever you have done. I am what I am. I have learned because of your decisions. Thank you so much. I love you. And now feel that your younger version is a different person and feel that love towards your younger version who is full of energy, who is very lively, who doesn't know how to take decisions, but still he or she took many decisions, maybe right, maybe wrong. Feel the love between your younger version and your current version. And now, whenever I passed any judgment because of my younger version, I'll give myself a tappu. I'll say that I am very, very happy and proud of my younger version. I accept my younger version the way it was, the way I was. I love you, my younger version. I'm so sorry that for so many years I did not accept you the way today I accept you. Please forgive me for that. And thank you so much. I love you. And really mean those words. And feel that whenever I feel any blame or complaint, I'll quickly tell myself that I love myself the way I am. And I'll never leave you, my younger version. Whatever mistakes you have done, I am with you. I am taking 100% ownership of whatever I have taken the decisions. I'm proud of my decisions. I'm proud of my younger version. I'm proud of my all mistakes. I'm proud of my all decisions. And now feel that energy now inside you because you have realized that the moment we accept ourselves the way we are and the way we were, then nothing can make us negative. Feel that power inside your body. Feel that white light energy which is now filled with every cell of your body. Feel that energy is entering in your body through your crown chakra, to your third eye chakra, to your throat chakra, to your heart chakra, to your solar plexus. to your sacral chakra, to your root chakra. And now feel that energy is passing to the earth again. Feel that oneness with the universe. And say, I accept you myself. I accept you, Sudeshna. Tell your name and say, I accept you. I accept you the way you were, the way you are, and the way you will be. I'll always be with you, no matter what. Who else is with you or not, I'll be there with you. I love myself. 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 I'll never leave you alone. I'll never leave you alone. And now, rub your palm. And when it is heated, put all the energy all over your face, your throat, your body parts for healed body and mind. And now when you are ready, you can slowly open your eyes. And now you can share how, sorry for the interruption in between, the meeting actually ended.
Yes, ma'am, it was very amazing today. Very nice. Like so much of healing inside.
Thank you. Sometimes we all actually judge ourselves, so it was needed. Thank you, Atulji, for telling that that need. Sometimes we don't feel that need also. So how was it for you, Atulji?
It was excellent.
So you are like giving marks to the student. It is excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for practicing. So now a quick EFT.